All right, it is 8:45 and we're leaving town and we're gonna do something super crazy.
PM.
Yes.
PM,
yes,
okay? It is almost 9 o'clock.
That's the sun setting over there. Now that we have the sun back, we have to do everything later that we don't want the sun. Sun setting, we're going ice fishing and hunting northern lights all at the same time. It's gonna be great, but it's crazy.
Say it too loud
because
the boy in the back doesn't know and he's not invited.
Oh yeah. We're really tired. Like, we could be going to sleep right now. It's been a long week. I flew to Anchorage for a job and then had to make up all the work I couldn't get done because I was in Anchorage. And you've had a long week dealing with the kids because I've been working a long time.
We've had a lot of late nights.
Yeah.
I normally am getting in bed between 8:30 and 9, and lately it's been more 11 to 12. And so I'm exhausted.
And I didn't even go to sleep on Wednesday night. I worked all night. So we're tired, but we're gonna do this. We have some friends that really want to do it, and I think it's super cool. And so
10 to 2. It was that we're gonna go
like,
from 10 to 2.
I think the best Northern Lights will be like right after midnight. We can't really put it off another week. Northern Lights are good this weekend, and it's been about 40 degrees all week, and it's gonna be 40 degrees and sunny all next week. So the ice and the snow is starting to get punky. It's not dangerous though. There's like 4 feet of ice in the lake. So 3.5.
I just put my phone? I was literally just holding it. Hold on a second. Aha. It is 10:45. So we realized on our way out here it's a full moon tonight, which means it's often too bright to get a good northern lights. But it's also our last weekend where we could do this anyway. So Samuel says okay, even if we can't see the northern lights. But it's so pretty, you can just see out there. It just looks so nice.
Are those northern lights? Or are those clouds?
When you have to ask, is it northern lights or clouds, it means
it's not good.
It's not good.
But it's still so bright out. It seems like it could be.
If you watched our camping out through the night video, then you know that I show up to things like this for the snacks. So I'm ready to get set up and eat in some food. I'm hungry. Looks so pretty.
This thing is so slick.
Can I do one?
Yeah. The important thing is you gotta pull it up every 6 inches to get the snow out. Otherwise you're gonna freeze your
I thought you were gonna say the important thing is not to drop it down.
Well, it's not gonna fall down unless you unscrew it. Hey, yeah, straighten it out a little bit. You go ahead, Nate. Yeah. Go down all the way. You might not be all the way through. Did you go all the way through?
I don't know.
Just go down one more time. Just make sure you bottomed out.
I don't want to get my boots wet. You have
okay.
Rubber boots.
I can finish it out, yeah. Don't drop it. I think 3 holes will be enough.
Well, I can't fish, so.
Okay.
I have my fishing license.
Wow.
I don't know.
You don't even have the heater set up, and it's already so much warmer just to be out of the wind. It's kind of cute little setup in here, don't you?
Yeah, I am pretty sure we're marking fish.
Did you hear that, Emily?
So exciting!
All right. See how much my coffee got knocked over when they were moving the tent over it, but I think it's okay. The coffee cup landed in the fishy water. But still pretty okay.
Where do you want this guy?
I almost just put the back of my chair into the hole.
At least you're not as, wide as the pool, so you wouldn't have fallen.
Yes. It's tipped over very ungracefully. Okay, let's move this over here.
If you look how it goes, you look how that jig sort of wants to spin.
Yeah.
So you can bring it up a couple feet, and it'll sort of spool back, like spin back down, and it'll
Okay.
see how it's just like dancing like that. It's pretty
Yeah.
cool. So this is such a touchy tip. It's hard to set the hook. But it's really easy to see if there's a player. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Coming in! Coming in! Coming in! Woo! Nice one too. Oh, I mean,
What kind is it?
this would be a rainbow trout. All right.
didn't know.
Are we eating fish?
Yes.
Okay.
Did we bring stuff to make
We
fish?
did not bring a grill.
Okay, it's my turn
Now it's Emily. All you, girl.
Okay.
Okay, so it says there's fish down there.
Okay.
Like a lot. A school. So start digging,
Okay.
I think.
I'm jigging.
I just don't know how to know what's you and what's actually a fish. Where's the plastic knife for these?
On the so.
Okay, Allie, watch. Okay. Maybe I'm just shaky. How do I know when I am it?
Oh, hold.
Okay. I don't know! It doesn't feel like one.
I think she had one and it got off.
Probably. Let me get you this one. This is a smaller hook, so they're probably gonna get onto it a little bit easier.
Okay.
Um.
So reel this back up.
Yeah, I will take that. I'll take that rod.
I got one!
What am I stuck on?
Are you guys stuck on each other's?
No,
I saw the fish
definitely
come
have
up.
a fish. Pretty good one too. I
Whoa,
think.
you are really having
I'm having this.
I can't be on you.
I don't know. Wait, you pull. Yeah, we're on each other.
No. No, look. Oh,
Oh,
I caught your fish.
no way.
I caught your fish.
No way.
Still counts as mine. I pulled harder.
No way.
I got it!
What?
Here, I will try to get my fish off and let your fish go.
Okay.
And you can pull it back down the hole and up
Okay.
your hole.
Okay, deal.
Let me make sure I hooked it.
How is this fair?
How? Where's her hook? Do you see her hook?
Okay, just wait.
Oh, the cords are just
Yeah,
tangled.
they're just.
Oh my.
Okay, so mine swallowed the hook, so I just need to untangle yours.
Okay.
Make sure hers is hooked on good.
Oh, hers is swallowed too, so none of them are going anywhere.
That is so funny. I was watching you both go and I was like, you guys are both pulling really hard to not be getting anything.
What I need to do is I need to unhook. I'm gonna unclip this. This is my fish. This is your fish.
Okay.
All right, you are clipped back on,
So now I get to reel it in?
and you're going back down the hole. Okay, so you went down the hole. You can reel yours in now.
Huh? Huh? Here we go! I got
Oh!
If we didn't get that
I
on
need you to take
camera,
my
no one
picture.
would have believed us.
Do they stock this pond in the summer too? Well,
Yes, I can't figure out how deep you are. Sorry. I didn't know! I didn't know! I didn't.
You really are like just expert level.
I didn't. This thing is so tiny. I was just trying to adjust it. 2 halves make 1. I am so sorry, Emily. That
That's
is
okay.
the
That's
weirdest
okay.
thing.
I'll get the next one.
I had no clue there was anything on there.
Honestly, I'm just happy that I got one. Yeah,
Emily's
it's in
second
there.
fish caught 100% on her own this time.
Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Can you help me? Can you get it?
If he helps you take it off the hook, it's 3/4.
Oh, okay, okay. Can you just hold it and I can get the hook out?
Oh, no, don't lose it, don't
Just swipe it over. Use your hand and pull it over.
I just want to pick it up.
One more.
Hey, are those the lights?
Right there, yes. In the middle.
Lantern off? Can you turn the lantern off?
How do you turn it off?
Oh yeah, those are definitely northern lights. What? Was that your phone? Yeah, my watch just said that's what I thought.
That's creepy.
Alright, what's your count? It better not be over 30. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's a good number.
Alright, we are done fishing. We're just passing the Santa Claus house over there, heading back to Fairbanks. Probably a 30-minute drive left to get back to our place. And then I'll be able to sleep for 3 hours, and then I gotta get up. So what I'm actually doing is like a tea party event, but yeah, we're gonna be sneaking coffee for sure. It was really fun. Like, they're definitely very boring fishing trips, but today was not a boring fishing trip.
I'm happy with how it went. And right as we were sneaking out, like getting stuff closed down, it's like the northern lights just started popping out. So pretty much everything we were going for today happened.